Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Aaron, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can freeze cells in a Google Sheets document. And the advantage of being able to freeze cells is instead of having to, scroll down like this, what you can do is you can have like your title stuff right here. This right here will stay frozen, and then the cells below it will you'll be able to scroll through them with ease while still being able to keep these cells right here in the spot that you want them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click and highlight these and go to view. I want to go to freeze, and let's do up to, well, let's do just one row. So right here, this is what we're freezing. And now, so if I were to do a student name, by the way, I'm making an IEP binder here to keep better track of my students and just what I've done as far as their IEP goes. So let's just say Bob Jones. Meeting date is today is the 18th. He doesn't have a continuation date. Parent notice. Yes, I've sent that out. And invitees, teacher, gen ed, admin, and let's just add speech for the fun of it. Okay, so now I have all these titles here at the top. And then when I scroll down, these cells stay where they're at, but these ones move, so I'm able to move through it easier. And also on a side note too, like if you want to just visually speaking, make this stand out, you can highlight the cells that you want, go to this fill color and pick a color that you want, and then it highlights it like that. So just to be able to tell visually just the different IEPs that you have going on at one time, should you choose to, do this, it helps you to see what you are doing and makes it a lot easier. I'm a big fan of color coordinating, if you couldn't tell. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this short little video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you use this technique or if you found this to be helpful. And also, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos on using technology in the classroom. Thanks, everybody.